This message is for test purposes only. Test, test, test. This is a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. This includes all counties in Ohio and is valid until 10 a.m. Repeating, this is a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. If this were an actual event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourages the use of this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning message for the 2018 Ohio Tornado Drill. This alert activation will replace the regularly scheduled routine weekly test normally conducted around 11 a.m. on Wednesdays.